Hey guys, Jesse Howard back at it again with more beginnings to nunchucks or whatever. Here we're gonna do the move that I just learned a little bit ago. Yes, I've been practicing a lot. This move, it's kind of painful if you don't do it the way you want. Again, I'm learning it from a guy called Ken Hill. If you want to learn more advanced stuff from him rather than me, then just go to his YouTube channel. He's a lot better than me. He used fire chucks, so I ain't got nothing on that. Anyway, this is the over the neck pass. If you don't do this move correct, it's going to hurt. Okay? And don't be afraid. It's more than likely not going to hit your face and hurt. It's going to hit the back of your shoulder and hurt more, okay? So, basically, you're doing, spins, just like in our last video. Instead of catching and bringing, you're going to come all the way across your body. Try to do it in a straight line, all the way across around your neck and your hand. Now, it's going to hit your face unless your hand's there. So you're going to have your hand there before it gets there. Catch it. Catch it. Maybe. Swing across, okay? That's it. It's simple, okay? Now, the problem with this move is the fact that if you have it just down a little or up a little, it's going to keep going and eventually hit your shoulder blade right here, okay? So you're going to want it in the most straight line you can possible. Hit right there, and then all the way across. Yeah, I didn't catch that one. Bear with me. I've just now learned this move like 20 minutes ago. But I know what I'm doing, I think. All the way across, catch. Okay? Swing back across. Go slow with this move, but if you hold back, that's what's going to get you hurt, okay? If you're like, oh no, I don't want to hit my face, it's going to hit your shoulder blade right here, and it's going to hurt real bad. So try not to hold back, but don't do it hard to where you're like whapping yourself with it, Just, yeah, obviously I'm not greatest at catching, but you get the idea. Okay, right there. Swing back across. And that's it. Over the neck pass. Okay, you might catch it down here like I've been doing it, but try to catch it up here where you normally hold it. So let me try that. No, I can't. I get close, but anyway, that is it for this episode, guys. If you liked it, subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified when I'm uploading a new video, and hit the like button. Okay. Also, check out other channels like Ken Hill, stuff like that. Really into that. Okay. He's a lot more advanced than me, again. Okay, I'm not trying to promote him or anything, but he's really good at what he does. And if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be making these videos. He's like an inspiration, Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.